Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix eSIM showing activating on your iPhone. So how can you fix that? First of all, make sure to turn on your the airplane mode and make sure that it is being turned on for at least 30 seconds, and once done, turn it off and check if your eSIM issue is from the activating is being fixed or not. Let's say you're still facing the issue. So what you can do is just restart your iPhone once, whatever the model is. Make sure to restart your iPhone, and once you restart, hopefully that issue will be fixed. But let's say that you're still facing the issue. So what you can do is just go inside the general and go inside the transfer or reset iPhone and click on erase reset. Sorry, first option reset. And once you click on reset, you will see multiple options: all setting, network setting, keyboard, handwriting, home screen, location. So just choose the second option, which is reset network settings, and make sure to reset all the network settings. But remember that it will also erase all your Bluetooth devices connected, all your Wi-Fi password as well. So make sure to remember those settings or passwords before you click on the reset network settings. So once you reset all the network settings, so after that your device will automatically restart, and hopefully your issue will be fixed completely. So that is all about how you can fix that.